Whew. This is the pre-game to the filming. I'm gonna eat, do my makeup, and go film. But like, I kind of want to have these like casual moments to where you guys can see how we're kicking it, how we're recording, get to know a bit more about me, or at least my personality. We need a low energy. We need the vibes. When I say we need the vibes, I can't just come to the video like, hey guys, good afternoon. So in today's video, I'll just be talking about fashion. So this fashion is just all about fashion and fashion. I will fall asleep before the video ends, okay? I need to bring the vibes. A lot of people don't know I'm very zen. A lot of people don't also know I'm very, I don't know what word I want to use here. What adjective I want to use here. Like, I'm very interesting. I don't know, catch me, babes. This is the shirt I'm wearing for my video. Little leopard skin moment. Is this leopard? Oh, this is no leopard. Oh my god, this ain't the leopard. This is not a leopard. This is definitely a jaguar. I thought this motherfucker was a leopard. Well, it is a leopard. I do see a little bit of a jaguar. I just saw some spots. I don't know, she an animal, okay? But that's my shirt, and I wanna wear my leopard shirt today because this has been my leopard year. I love leopards. I think they're beautiful. I think they're so intelligent. I think they thrive well alone. And a lot of times I tend to be alone. I guess that's why people start filming videos, right? They be alone a lot. They be thinking things and they just start filming. Like, I got friends. I got a lot of them. But I love solitude. I love peace and quiet. Like, you see this quiet right now? Blissful. I don't want to hear a word except the word I'm making. Somebody, when I look I can get peace of mind. I can make it go. Oh, heard you trying to sell your soul, baby. But I just really let it out lately. I need you to please in my reflection. This, I don't know, I feel like wearing these pearls right now. But I just do, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like things create the vibe. No, that's the end, babes. That's the end. Okay, all right. I would have liked for it to go on. Oh, okay. I'm gonna leave it. Alrighty. Okay, that's enough chokery. Like, I wanna do something. The looks. Got to know. You know what I just realized is I shaved my mustache, right? But the mustache that I shaved is not looking very shaven. It's looking half shaved. So we're just gonna leave that right there and just act like it's yeah, right? Like, who has time to do that? Not I tell you that. I swear to God, when this album came out, I just remember being in a different city, going to work, sad, depressed. You know what I mean? Now, I don't know what has changed since then, but perhaps I'm not sad and depressed right now, so I still work. I'm still here working. Quite literally right now. You know what I'm saying? This is me setting my primer. This chair, I don't know. You hear chair noises? It's probably this chair. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this is just like a video, like an equalizer video. I don't even know what this video is going to be, but hopefully in the future I have things to talk about. But like, sometimes I don't even want it to just talk, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes I just want to, you know. When I say sometimes I be liking the prequel, like the vibe out before the actual event. Today my event happens to be filming a video. My brows are already irritating me. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just going to vibe out. This is play some music, chill out, we'll see where it goes. But like I want to do like these sessions, like vibe out sessions where I just chill and catch a vibe, display my personality. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. We can chat, we can chat, we can leave it there, we can, I don't know. We'll see where it goes. You know what I mean? At this point, I just feel like I'm willing to go where it goes. And yeah. This brush from Sephora. This is their Pro Foundation 64 brush. Pro Foundation. Ooh, Pro Foundation 64 Sephora. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful brush. So I just use it right now, but beautiful so far. Like you can already tell when the brush is gonna F you up. You know what I mean? And once I use it, I said, we good. Apparently, it's supposed to like be quick and kind of like not share out the, well, kind of share out because it is sharing this out, but it reminds me of those dual fibers because of the bristles, like the way the bristles are, like it's round, but the bristles are kind of like dual fibery. You know what I mean? To share out the coverage, work quick, blend out quickly, right? It is absorbing, but it is sharing out very quickly because it is absorbing a lot of it and just like this is a, kind of like a distribution brush, if you will, a distribution brush that blends really well, kind of. You see, I just got rid of that in 2 seconds. If it was my dense Marc Jacobs phase 2, well, we would be here. But I love that brush specifically for coverage. Like that brush don't leave nothing behind. Put everything on your face. And specifically, this makeup is just for filming this video. So I don't care for it to be full coverage, particularly like it's already evening. So once I finish that video, I'm literally gonna be washing my face. So like, I guess that's why it's taking me so long, right? I don't like dressing up for nothing. But I have to see my video as something, like, you know what I mean? Which I do see it as, but like, I love things to occur naturally. You know what I mean? I don't like when things are occurring because I'm filming. Like, I particularly hate that. Like, I particularly hate doing makeup just for filming. I like when things happen organically. Like, okay, I'm going out, let me take you with me. You know what I mean? Like, the idea of filming just or doing makeup just for filming, I don't know that I ever really got used to it. So it always looked like a chore to me. You know, like, I don't know how to explain that further. But if I'm going out, it's chill, right? But like going out just to film a video, I don't know. Like, which makes me want to consider doing videos just without makeup sometimes, which I will do. But like I will do here and there, especially for vlogs. But at the same time, what I do care about is presenting myself in a great light, right? Like in as best a light as I possibly can in any given moment, right? Like, so today, I know I should come out presentable. And it doesn't mean I don't look presentable without makeup, but like, if I can put a better foot forward, why not? And girl. Yeah, so I don't know, child. I'm just trying to get, and I was going to film a video. Like, I'm going to film my video is next, right? So I was just gonna come on here and be like, "Hey guys, video." But like, I think you guys are very smart. Like, it's like it's giving where the hell you been? I'm girl. I've been here. I've been just going through life, right? I don't think I'm gonna cover that life in this video per se, but like, I wanted to come to you guys on some real front, like, girl. Sometimes you just like. I don't want to struggle in the dark alone. Like, gosh, I'm so good at struggling in the dark. I will just lock up because I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe it's my upbringing. I don't know, man. But let me tell you, I can be struggling right now. Nobody will know anything. I'll just come on here like I'll just come on here with my beautiful. Hi guys. So the God, the time I do that the most is probably when I'm like in the deepest despair. You know what I mean? And I think you could tell it from my last video that I released. That like, no, maybe not the last one, but the last couple of ones. I addressed the creativity tax. Like, child, I don't know. From that video, the creativity tax and onwards, I just needed to work some things through. You know what I mean? Like, and I can't, I would say that I've worked a lot of those things too, but like, there's still so much to work through. But I don't want to hide anymore. You know what I mean? Like, what's the point of going to you perfect? Like, what's the point? Now, I'm not going to come on here with all my stuff. Like, nobody needs to see that anyways. But like, I am going to come here a bit more. You know what I mean? Like, more myself. That's the part I've been working on, acceptance of myself. Because if I cannot accept myself, child, who the hell gonna accept me? Who? Tell me who will accept me if I don't accept myself. You know what I mean? That's why a video like this is very important. It's like I'm just chilling, I'm just vibing out, doing my makeup, and like, but you get to see a more casual side of me. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to plan anything. Oh God, Jesus Christ. I'm over the plans. I'm not planned out. I'm tired. Plan. Ugh. Let's be. I said I don't want full coverage, right? But this baby right here, or this girl, oh, she gonna get you right and tight each time. This is the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. Now, as you can see, she's probably even lighter than my palm at this point, but I don't know why from N45 to N42 is like 3 different races. It's like, bro, like I'm gonna get the N45 because there's no N43. I don't think they have that in Prolong Wear, so I'm gonna have to get that to mix with that. But that coverage, this is one of the most beautiful concealers I have ever used in my entire life. I used to use it back when, and I stopped for some reason, and then recently I was like, wait, what happened there? Because not me buying a new bottle of Too Faced, and this Too Faced being a creasy. Like I was like, why am I creasy so much? And somebody said it online. I was like, oh my God, it's the concealer. I thought I was just getting old. Like, no, it's the concealer. So this is very dark. This is my Tarte Shape tape. As you can see, it's not really brightening nothing. But with this Caucasian concealer, I think we can go a little bit far. This is my Caucasian. I don't even like to use a pump, like half a pump, because she's so pigmented. She's so thick. So she don't move. Look at that. She does not move. She will stay right there. Thick. You see that? See that Caucasian? Like, I'm not even like, when I tell you, like, you see how overpowering that is? I've not even picked up the full thing, but it's so overpowering. So it's going. What do I want that to do for me? I'm discussing. I don't know what I'm doing with my eyes, because my face is looking a bit very more subdued, because I've matched. Like it's a tinge dark, I feel. Just a tinge. Where is it? Oh my child. Yeah. Touch that meaning boys, meaning boys. You know they make too much noise. Child, I will see that blush. You see that blush, bro? And I can do this because, well, I knew how to blend it. It's not the YSL. I smell something burning, like I smell it. I'm like, something is twisting, and it was. Alrighty. Blush just flushes you. It's one of my favorites on the album War Machine, featuring Odumodu Black. This powder is new to me. It's new to the girl. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm kind of scared. I'm a little scared. I got it. It look a little light, right? Let's hope it's like translucent and not just light, because they said this is working on deep to medium to deep. So you better not play me. Who's this? Tower 28? Yeah, you better not play me. What shade is this? Banana. Balboa. Don't play me. You better. I just wanna see if you can brighten it. Okay, it smells like nothing. Okay. Bradley is supposed to be better than what's her name? Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know about that. because I do love my shower a lot, but I'm gonna need a few tests if I can come to such a wild conclusion. I like it so far though. Okay. It's not over brightening, which is great. I've done my makeup kind of strange today. No eyeshadow yet. I wonder where the eyeshadow will come in. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that for now. Let's quickly do a quick eyeshadow. What do I want with my eyes? I had that Marc Jacobs palette just now. I don't even know where I got this from. Probably Sephora. One of those times where Marc Jacobs was on sale and I just got it. This is their $7.90 Fantasine iconic palette. Alright. What am I wearing today? Browns. Let me see if I can go shimmer because this makeup looks a little dull for me. A little dull. Oh, that is quite coppery. Okay, let's go for it because let me come back to y'all looking a bit bright. Let me come back looking like I gave it, I tried. Just a little bit. Look like I gave it damn. Oh, thank God I put this palette back because that's gorgeous. That is a gorgeous. Ooh, that is absolutely stunning. My goodness, damn. Oh, more thing nice. And imagine if I were to wet this brush, I imagine that this would be even more stunning. Where's my setting spray? I need to wet that brush one time. Okay, that escalated. So let's do light brown eye. Comes out with shimmers. So let's just do a no. Oh, I have these palettes. Let's see, I'm very chaotic today. Wow, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous blend. Wow, this is like the perfect bronzer for me. It's like warm, but not too warm. Body girls like me, I fresh like body. Can't you see? Can't you see? So many things you've done. Bum bum, yeah, stop. All right, guys, my battery's about to die. I'm basically just finishing up the touches. As you can see, it's a bit darker. But I'm filming with unnatural light, so I'm okay. You know. Well, I guess this is my first makeup I've done in like weeks, so it is what it is. Do I love it? No. But I've had, you know, I can see the brightening that the powder was doing now because I'm like a little bright, a bit bright here. But I'm gonna finish up without you guys because I don't want to keep this going for too long. Thank you so much for vibing with me. I'll have hopefully more thoughts in other videos, you know, but these sessions are supposed to be very chill, very just, I'm just vibing and doing whatever. So some days it'll be more fun, some days it'll be more chill. Because at the end of the day, it's just me. You know what I mean? So, take me back.